Hi, welcome to Tanio TV. I'm Emma and today I'm going to be making a raft. To make the rafts, all we need are sticks, string and a pair of scissors. Sticks can be used to make a mini raft. First, you need to find some sticks. You can find them under or around trees. You need to snap or cut the sticks so they are roughly the same size. In my case, I'm going to use loppers because they're quite thick. You then tie the sticks together. I am going to use a clove hitch to attach the string, but any knot will do. I'm going to tie the branches together using shear lashing like this. Once you have tied all the sticks together, you can make a sail, which Alice is going to help me out with.